The car worked great, the engine worked great, the suspension worked great, car handled great all weekend.
The event's good. I think the track's been pretty cool. I mean, doing from dirt to concrete, it's definitely a challenge, but it's fun, it's different, not used to it. Car's been handling awesome, you know, they've been doing a great job taking care of the track, and yeah, my car, we kind of just went with a dirt setup at the beginning, and we're kind of sticking with it. It seems to be working all right. The concrete, I mean, the biggest key is don't spin and don't push into turns. Other than that, you know, if you keep it smooth is fast. The concrete's kind of one of them deals where slow is fast.
What a thing to come to the UTV world, to be put on, you know, by Yamaha and Monster Energy, and what a job Johnny Greaves did putting this track together. I mean, to have the pavement and the dirt kind of put into one, something that none of us have done, but man, we all love it, and we cannot wait to come back again. I mean, we're super excited about this this track and this whole event. It's been awesome. You know, the machine had a real tough life last year. Spent the winter putting it back together, got together with the right people. We got Beyond Redline Performance and dirt launch products, and Luke, what a job putting together a tune for this thing. It's just an absolute beast out there for a bone stock motor with his intake and his tune. It just comes to life. The torque, you know, the horsepower, everything, and you know, the Power Sports One helping us out with parts. You know, really stepping to the plate, and of course, you know, the Greaves duo, Johnny Greaves, putting together an awesome chassis for me to work with. You know, I'm able to kind of just stick where I want it. It reacts, and it just pulled off a big win for me right now, where I was able to transfer an LCQ from dead last. So I'm extremely happy with the whole program right now.
Here at US Air Motorsports Park, side-by-side national presented by Monster Energy and Yamaha. Everything's going good here with Dirt Syndicates Racing. Cars are working really good. Teammates are running really good.
Yeah, just out here having a good time. You know, pulled off a win yesterday, so I'm really happy about that. Beyond Redline intake and tune and everything, it's just really giving me some power, and max tires being able to put it to the ground, so just really excited and hoping to work my way up the back of the pack and maybe pull off another win today.